Okay, I have a work from home payment posting job, and this one looks like it's more on the entry level, beginner friendly side of things. I also have what looks to be a pretty easy project coordinator job. It looks kind of interesting, and they offer 2 shifts from which to choose. So let's just jump right into them. So Zotech Partners has an opening for a payment posting specialist. This is a full-time remote position anywhere within the United States. So they tell us the level for this job is experience, but when I read through this job description, I think this is more of an entry-level, beginner-friendly kind of position because they're really not requiring a whole lot of related work experience. I'll get into that in just a minute. And as far as pay, they don't tell us how much they're going to pay, so I did some research. I went to Google, checked out their AI overview, and it looks like a payment posting specialist at Zotech Partners in the U.S. typically earns between $43,369 and $52,229 per year. But I gotta say, there's absolutely no way I can guarantee how much you'll make. You'll have to work that out with them, but at least you have a starting point for your salary negotiation. So as a payment posting specialist, you'll be responsible for researching payment posting issues and making sure that payments and correspondence are applied to patients' accounts in a timely and accurate manner. You'll communicate with banks, clients, attorneys, and insurance carriers to resolve posting issues, and you'll do other duties such as daily and month-end balancing, credit card processing, retrieval of files from bank and multiple payer sites, and lockbox breakdown. So that pretty much sums up what you're going to do on a regular basis in this job. They'd like you to have an understanding of explanation of benefits. You have knowledge of payment processes from insurance carriers, patients, and HSAs. They prefer, but they don't require, they prefer you have medical billing office and payment posting knowledge. You need a high school diploma or equivalent, and they also prefer but don't require, they prefer you have experience with IDX Athena and IDX. And then you need all the typical soft skills you need with just about every job. You're able to work within deadlines, you're comfortable using computers, including Microsoft Word, Excel, and Adobe Acrobat products. You can multitask, you have follow-through skills, you're detail-oriented, you have no problem maneuvering insurance carrier websites, you're a good communicator, and you have a pleasant phone manner. So according to Google's AI overview, this job has the potential of paying a little over $43,000 a year up to $52,000 a year. If you like this job, you can find the application details in the description area. Just look for job number 1. So the next job I have is with User Interviews. They're a consumer research company. Basically, they have clients who pay people to do surveys, online opinions, check out their products, those sort of things. But don't worry, that's not what you're going to do. You're not going to be doing surveys. I don't talk about surveys at all on this channel. You're going to be an actual employee of User Interviews. So what we're going to do is go to their careers page, scroll down a little bit, and the job we're interested in is this project coordinator level 1. So they have 2 shift options. You can work Monday through Friday Mountain Standard Time hours or Thursday through Monday Eastern Standard Time hours. And these jobs are fully remote anywhere within the United States. You do not have to live in either of these time zones. As long as you're able to work within those time zone hours, you're good to go. So these 2 jobs are identical with exception of the time zones. So I'm going to go ahead and just click on one of them. So the first thing I want to do is scroll down this job description, show you how much they pay. Right here on this job description, they tell us they're going to pay you $24.04 per hour, plus give you a really nice suite of benefits, including a $250 office setup budget and $50 a month work from home stipend. And in this particular shift, you'll be working anywhere within the United States, Monday through Friday from 9 a.m. to 5 p.m. Mountain Time. And the other option is just like this one, same pay, same benefits, but you'll be working Thursday through Monday from 9 a.m. to 5 p.m. Eastern Time Zone hours. So in this job, you'll play a pivotal role in managing clients' projects and their recruitment needs. Additionally, you'll keep customers happy and excited about the products through excellent communication and support. So what that means is you'll do some QA and launch recruitment for researchers' submitted projects, manage the ongoing recruitment and full life cycle of the researchers' projects, handle proactive outreach to researchers regarding their projects, cover other team members when they're out of the office, and serve as a product expert, keeping up to date with new product releases and features. You may also handle incoming customer communications, providing excellent and timely support and troubleshooting when necessary, bring ideas and brainstorms to the forefront related to team goals, and you may also do coverage on holidays, and that's optional, it's not required. So what they want from you is at least 1 year experience in a client-facing role, such as account management, project management, customer support. They prefer, but they don't require, they prefer you have a bachelor's degree, you're a self-starter, you're excited by the idea of joining an early stage and lean startup, you're comfortable with ambiguity. And in this particular role, you're available to work Monday through Friday, 9 a.m. to 5 p.m. Mountain Time Zone hours. So you get bonus points if you have startup experience, Zendesk experience, experience handling a larger volume of projects, as well as experience at a user research agency. And all of those are just bonus points, they're not required. So according to this job description, they're going to pay you $24.04 per hour, give you a $250 office setup budget, as well as a $50 a month work from home stipend. And remember, they have a couple shift options from which to choose: Monday through Friday Mountain Time Zone hours or Thursday through Monday Eastern Time Zone hours. So if you're interested in this job, you can find the application details in the description area. This is job number 2. Okay, there you go, a payment posting job and a project coordinator position with 2 shift options. Hopefully one of these jobs works out for you, and if you're looking for more, check out this video right here. And don't forget, come back to this channel frequently. I post work from home job leads almost every day of the week, and if you want a work from home job that's a little more advanced in nature, check out my other channel, CAT Scans Remote Jobs. Thank you so much for visiting, and I'll meet you on the next job lead.